Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make music sound muffled in Capcut. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial. Here I have a video with music on it and I want to make it sound muffled. So first you can just click on the video and extract the audio first. So let's swipe on the toolbar until you find the extract audio, tap on that and the audio is extracted. And to make it sound muffled, you can just click on the music and go to the audio effects, and here go to the voice filter, then find the megaphone filter. Okay, this one's right here. Click on that, click on a check icon, then you'll hear that the music now sound muffled. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.